Bitcoin mining, my first 30-day review. We're going to go over how much this is actually made and what my electricity costs at home. Let's dive into it. This video is brought to you by Sniper. He is our mascot dog for the channel.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Welcome to the smack that's the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, I usually talk about real estate investing for passive income. However, I was like, I think this is going to be considered passive income, so I'm going to throw off a little one-off video. I had another one when I first set it up. This is a 30-day review. Won't be a whole lot of crypto talk, but I just want to talk about mining machines and their passive income ability as well. So I made this little enclosure here, and because this thing gets really, really loud, let me show you kind of what I did. I made basically, it's just a box with some material I got on Amazon. This right here is going to be the intake. So you got everything coming in there. And then on the outtake, looks just like that. So basically, I didn't get any complaints from neighbors, but I was really hoping that I wouldn't. So I made this little enclosure. It helps by decibels just a little bit. Really, it helps more of in the house. I don't hear it as much. I do plan on moving this over to a data center once it starts getting a little hotter. Right now we're in the wintertime, so it keeps my garage and my boat nice and warm, which is nice. So what kind of numbers are this thing producing? Let's check it out on the computer. Oh, and be sure to check out the link for your crypto wallet on Crpyto.com. The referral link is below. All right, so first things first, this right here is the actual miner itself. This is an Antminer Bitmain 104. It shows the real-time hash rate, and it's literally updating. Network status, fan speed, miner, everything is normal. Hash rate right now is 108 to 104, so anything over 104 is great. It's averaging 105, so it's doing a little bit better. It's been on for exactly a month now. And let's scroll down and let's go ahead and look at some other parameters here. This right here shows the connection status for the pool. You have 3 different data chips. So normal, normal, and normal, which is obviously what you want to see. And down here at the bottom, it shows the number of chips you have in each one of the processors. And over here, normal, normal, normal for the state of chips. Moving on to the actual how much this thing has been making. Right now, this is under slush pool. And this right here is a mining pool. It's seeing on the actual mining pool 105.7 terahashes, which is good. Worker status is showing it's good as well. That's always what you want to see. This right here shows you kind of throughout the day to make sure it's always been working correctly. When you scroll down, you're going to see an all-time reward. It's right here, guys. And if you hover over it, there it is. $760.65. But that is not the true story, because that is the gross income, and you're also going to have electricity costs as well. Scrolling down here a little bit more shows you how many active users there are and active workers, and how much this fluctuates day to day, guys. I mean, this is really, it's really hard to determine, you know, how much you actually make, other than just saying, okay, it makes, you know, $750 a month. Because trying to figure out, like when I first bought this, I thought it would be like even, you know, like every single day it would be the same thing. But the mining difficulty changes, the pool difficulty changes. Like it really is sporadic. Okay, so now we have to check out the utility bills so we really see what the net is per month with this machine. Okay guys, so here is the electric bill. This one right here is the month right before the miner, and it's been on for a full month now, and this is the new one. So last month was this month, because this was the last bill. Okay, and then this right here is a new bill. So this is the miner bill, this is the non-miner bill. Okay, so you get to kind of see the difference here of the electricity usage. Kilowatts per day, region 131, that is combined with my home though. So really you got to look at it like this. Cost per day was $5.97. The new cost per day is $15.21. However, what this isn't showing you, and what you do not realize, is we in Texas had a freeze. It was very cold, so I knew the electric bill was going to be higher because we had the heat running more often than normal. So online, it typically says that the electric bill cost per day for the miner is about $7, and I do anticipate $7 actually being the actual daily cost of electricity, $7 or so, to run this at 12 cents a kilowatt hour. So keep that in mind for the electricity costs. I want to say that it came out to, on average, about $200 to $220 a month in miner cost alone. All right, guys, that's it. 30 days into mining. You're going to ask if I recommend it. I do. I'm actually looking to take out a cash out refi on one of my properties, my rental properties, taking a portion of that and reinvesting it into about a dozen miners or so. And I'm going to put them into mining facilities that charge about 6-7 cents a kilowatt. And I am going to do that one-time investment, and I'm going to let all of those miners perpetuate the profits forward to keep buying more miners. So I'm basically going to buy a dozen. Those 12 will buy the 13th, 13 will buy 14 faster, 14 will buy even 15 faster, and I'm not going to put any more money necessarily into the miners, but I'm going to let the miners buy the rest of the miners, therefore always keeping fresh miners on the shelf and generating passive income for as long as this Bitcoin mining thing lasts. If you guys got any questions at all, you like the video, make sure you smash that like button. I do like to see my audience enjoying my content, and it helps others see it with the YouTube algorithm. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.